Welcome guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you rightly know, this is the first time I'm doing this. I'm basically starting a new YouTube series where I will be teaching everything I know about Forex on my other platforms like TikTok and Instagram. I've had a lot of people say, teach your strategy, how do you trade and how do you do all of this. So this is me basically coming out now to show and basically just tell you everything I know about Forex. But today I'll be starting with basic market structure. So yeah, I'll be starting with basic market structure. So let's say market structure. So market structure is basically how the market moves, right? Market structure is how the market moves. The market moves in three different ways, right? If you're trading Forex, you understand that even before you start trading Forex, you basically see that is either people are buying or they are selling. Is either they are buying or they are selling. It moves in basically is either buy or sell. That's the two things that's happening, two actions happening in the world of Forex, right? And also if you come deeper into the world of Forex, right, I'll tell you that there are even more than buying and selling actions going on in the market, right? There are other actions going on in the market. So a good example is I have this already drawn here. So this is a bearish movement. So when you see price going, giving us series of lower highs, lower lows, I think I should this is a lower high, lower low, and this is another lower high, and yet again another lower low here. This is a downtrend or a bearish movement. We call it a downtrend. Apart from this move, we have other moves, right? We have other moves too. We have the uptrend. If there is a downtrend, there should be an uptrend, right? There's a downtrend, there should be an uptrend. So this is the uptrend. The uptrend basically gives you higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. This is a higher low, a shell, and this is a higher high, a shish. Do you understand? So whenever you're seeing series of higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, it is basically giving you a bullish movement or an uptrend. And also in the cases where you see that the market is not breaking past a particular zone, it is just around a specific zone, it is not breaking past it, it is called consolidation or ranging markets, right? It is not breaking past a particular zone, it is consolidating or ranging. It means that it is just going, let me do this. It simply means that the market is just giving us highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, equal highs and equal lows, equal highs and equal lows, like this. This is a consolidating market, right? As you can see, it is giving us series of equal highs and equal lows too. It means that the market is in a range, is trapped in a box. It's trapped in a box until the price breaks out of that box, breaks out of it, before you know that, okay, yes, indeed, this is what the market wants to do. You understand? So in professionally, it is advised that you even avoid this type of market. A market that is giving us series of equal highs and equal lows, should avoid it. And also another thing I marked out here, another thing I marked out to talk about here is break of structures. So once the market is moving, note, the market does not move in a linear direction. It means it does not move straight forward like in just one massive move. No, market moves, breaks, moves, and have some minor pullbacks and all. If the market is just moving straight like this, you should know that something is wrong. Something is happening, obviously, and that is why the market is behaving that way. So when the market is giving us those minor pullbacks in a trend, those pullbacks, they create break of structures. And now break of structures are points that the market reverses back to a particular zone. I know you will not understand this right now, but I will show you much better in the chart, right? So for an uptrend, this is what an uptrend break of structure looks like, giving us a break of structure here, break of structure here, break of structure. And also this is what a downtrend break of structure looks like. So let me go straight to the chart. Let me even use like a random chart. Let me use a random chart to explain this better. I don't trade them. Let me use DXY. Okay, so for DXY now, this is the daily time frame, right? So let me come to like a smaller time frame. Let me come to a smaller time frame. Okay, so in a situation like this, it is clearly obvious that the market is what? Bullish, because we are seeing the market go up, and then we are seeing this break of structures. Like I rightly said, the market does not go in a linear direction. The market will go, it will pull back, it will go up, it will pull back. This is a break of structure. This is yet another break of structure, another break of structure, another break of structure. Are you understanding? So you see that the market is giving us series of break of structures to the upside. It's breaking structure to the upside, and the abbreviation for break of structure is BOS, right? So BOS, whenever you see BOS, it means break of structure. It's giving us break of structure to the upside, meaning that price is breaking structure to the upside. So if you look at the live chart here, you see high. This is a lower high. Sorry, this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. It is similar to the same trend that I drew. Yeah, the same trend that I drew on that I explained earlier. The same thing I explained earlier here. It is much more similar to it. Do you understand? So one thing you need to know as a forex trader is the ability to know your trend. You see, the same thing here, that is the same thing we have on the live charts. We have on the live charts here. Do you understand? So for a bearish market now, let me show you in this same movement, where in this same chart where there is a bearish. This is the bullish one. This is now the bearish movement. See now, price broke structure, downside. Price broke structure, downside. I seen it. Price broke structure from here down. I seen it. This is now a bearish momentum. A bearish momentum. Do you see it? So firstly, what you need to identify first of all is the trend. Know the current trend we are trading on, and before you know the trend exactly, you need to know the trend from a higher time frame. before you even do any analysis. Come to a higher time frame. For day traders like me, I like to use the monthly time frame. These are different time frames. I like to use the monthly time frame first of all for my top-down analysis to know where is price headed to, where is price coming from, where is price going to. Well, above all, I smash the like button and tell me if you want me to make a proper video, a proper in-depth teaching video about anything you want me to make a video about in Forex, and I will do that. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.